Right. Then next differences, as previous video we can identify the acids or bases by using indicators. Let us know some more points about acids and bases. As usual, first one, sour to taste, then bitter in taste, soapy to touch. Soapy to touch are the bases. Bitter in taste also bases, and acids. We know acids examples. Examples acids. Uh, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, vinegar, that means acetic acid. Then here examples are sodium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, then potassium hydroxide, soap water, soap water, glass cleaner, glass cleaner, then soap water, glass cleaner, slaked lime, slaked lime, slaked lime examples. Here citric acid, oxalic acid, tartaric acid, citric acid, tartaric acid, oxalic acid are the examples for acids, and sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, then soap water, milk of magnesia, bitter gourd, neem, bitter gourd, bitter gourd, and neem, toothpaste, 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 baking soda are the examples for bases. Examples for bases. Then some other examples for acids. Let us take um, formic acid, formic acid, formic acid, which is present in the ant. Malic acid, malic acid, malic acid in present in apple, present in apple. Citric acid, we know. Oxalic acid, oxalic acid in tomatoes, oxalic acid, oxalic acid in tomatoes and spinach. Amino acids, proteins, amino acids, proteins. Tonic acid, T, tonic acid present in T. Then hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, phosphoric acid, nitric acid, right? Carbonic acid, carbonic acid, carbonic acid, nothing but soda, nothing but present in cool drinks, soda water, right? Then amla, amla, Indian gooseberry, we can call it is amla, guva, contains contains acid. Uric acid in present in urine, present in urine. Butyric acid in butter, right? So these are the examples. These are the examples for acids and bases. So we have two types of acids. One is organic acids or natural acids. Organic acid, natural acids. So, which are obtained from plants and animals. Naturally obtained. Naturally obtained. Naturally obtained acids are called natural or organic acids. Examples are oxalic acid, then citric acid, acetic acid, right? Tartaric acid, malic acid, all the examples for organic organic acids organic acid. These are able to taste, taste, right? So acetic acid, which is used for preserving some sauces, whatever sauces, we have to mix this. Oxalic acid present in tomatoes and spinach. Citric acid present in lime, right? Then malic acid in apple, right? Tannic acid in tea, olive acid, olive oil, right? Then tartaric acid, tamarind grapes, tamarind and grapes, tamarind, tartaric acid present in grapes and tamarind. These are all contains acids. They are natural one, organic. So these are able to taste. These are able to taste. But another classification is mineral acids. Mineral acids are chemically or synthetic acids. What are those? Are hydrochloric acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, sulfuric acid, sulfuric acid. These are also acid, but they are obtained from minerals. They are obtained. They are made in naturally, not naturally. They are made in the laboratory. So that's why they are called. They are called mineral acids. They are called mineral acids. Mineral acids. Mineral acids are dangerous to taste. So that's why we should not drink. They have some characteristic. They are able to remove the water from our body. Dehydrating agent. These mineral acids are these mineral acids are unable to taste. They acts as a dehydrating agent. Some are these some metal oxides, some non-metal oxides, are dissolves in water. We get some type of acids. They are this is nothing but soda water. Soda water contains carbonic acid. Then, like that, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, all dissolves in water. They form the solutions. This is based on the occurrence availability. Similarly, here have natural bases. Natural bases. Right? For example, bitter gourd, neem, bitter gourd, neem, baking soda, baking soda, then also contains alkaloids. Example, alkaloids. Alkaloids means the compound contains nitrogen. like caffeine, caffeine, then nicotine, morphine, nicotine, nicotine, morphine, nicotine, morphine are the some examples for natural bases. Natural bases. Baking soda, baking soda present in some mineral springs. Mineral springs. Then calcium carbonate, limestone, 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 calcium carbonate is example. Then ammonia, ammonia, ammonia also has some basic nature. So produced naturally in soil, water, and animal waste, and animal waste during during biological process. Ammonia is released, which has a little basic in nature, little basic in nature there. Whereas coming to sodium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide we can call the caustic soda, caustic soda. Similarly potassium hydroxide, potassium, potassium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, right? Calcium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. This is called slaked lime, slaked lime, neem, 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 nimbu, lime, nimmakai, nimmakai, sorry, neem, right? Citric, citric fruits acids. So in this way we have natural bases, alkaloids, natural bases and alkaloids like caffeine, nicotine, morphine, limestone, calcium carbonate, ammonia are the natural one. Sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide are the made in laboratory by using some chemical reactions, by using some chemical reactions. Anti-drugs, right? See what is against drugs, against drugs. So these drugs also contain little percentages of acids and bases, acids and bases. Different categories are there, but we will never discuss what are those present in the drugs. So this topic is suitable for this, right? So against drugs, against drugs, the simple caption is given exactly, right? Recently completed anti-drugs day. Um, dare to say no to drugs, say no to drugs, say yes to dreams. What a fantastic quotation, right? Means the children's, students especially are addicted to drugs. So avoid uses of drugs because of contain different kinds of substances in that, right? So say no to drugs, say to dreams. Dreams are the important than the drugs. So then other one also we have strong acids and weak acids, strong acids and weak acids, strong acids and weak acids. The strong acids and weak acids depends on as per the Arrhenius acid base theory. As per Arrhenius acid base theory, the, the acid contain more H plus ions, more H plus ions is a strong acid, strong acid. Whereas the acid contain less H plus ions, less H plus ions, then they are called as the weak acids. They are called as weak acids, right? So strong acids examples, these mineral acids, mineral acids are the example for strong acids, whereas for mild or weak acids example, organic acids are the natural acids. That's why we are able to taste this, but we are unable to taste these mineral acids, mineral acids, mineral acids, because of they are strong and acts as a dehydrating agent, dehydrating agent. Similarly, we have strong base. We have strong bases and weak bases. Strong bases and weak bases. These caustic soda, potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, slaked lime. These are the examples for strong bases. Whereas the weak bases, baking soda, milk of magnesia, you can call magnesium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide. So these are having weak basic nature, Here, depending upon the OH minus ions, hydroxide ions, hydroxide ions. So decide the strong base and a strong or weak base according to Arrhenius acid base theory. Arrhenius acid base theory, the substance which have more OH minus ions when they dissolve in water are strong bases. They have less OH minus ions, we can call them weak bases, and we can classify acids, strong acids and weak acids based on their pH value also. Their pH value generally the substances having less than 7 pH considered as acids. They have their pH value more than 7 to 14. More than 7 to 14 we can consider as bases. Here less than 7 means 0 to 7. 0 less than 7. 0 less than 7 based on the pH value. Based on the pH value of acids and the bases, we can classify them as strong acids and weak acids. Here we can classify them strong bases and weak bases. Strong bases and weak bases. And there is a one common thing for all acids. There is one common thing for all acids. All acids contains H plus ions. H plus ions. H plus ion. The common point is H plus ions. Then here the common point is OH minus ion. OH minus ion. So in this way we can identify, means we can differentiate acids and bases. Acids and bases. Here some exemptions maybe are there. Some exemptions are there. H plus ion, does the substance contain H plus ions, all are considered, or the OH minus ion contain all are the bases. So maybe some exemption we will discuss later. But there is a common thing is H plus ions. The other common thing is bases, right? So these are dissolved in water. They also dissolve in water. While discussing some chemical properties, also we can identify easily acids and bases. Acids and bases. Simple way. You have to get this kind of idea, children, the students. Whenever you read your textbook, right? We are able to write the all important points, write side by side, acids one side, bases one side, bases one side. So then easy to understand, So you have to follow if it is possible. Thank you.